The topic is that no. The unim trend say sikaya adi nyina. Sanso empeninso abube bi say ni owo ebru ene wo nkokọ. But empeninfo asen bube bi say odo ede sinsika. Enne if you have paye adwa. Hello, MZTooknow. Hey girl.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you too?
You look beautiful.
You too. Thank you.
I love your Empenibeka farmer and
Thank you.
No, this is outfit. I love your outfit.
I love your outfit.
Yeah, say after me.
I love your outfit.
Exactly.
I love your outfit. And also the camera phone.
Okay, yes.
I love what you are wearing.
Thank you.
It's so beautiful. All right. So big Akwes.
Joy.
Before me, you you know. Now what can where you who the dad? Hello, my big bro.
Hello, my big sis.
How are you doing this morning?
By the grace of our ancestors, I'm well like a needle.
Huh?
Needle.
Yeah, I'm well like.
What this panier?
Exactly.
Okay. Big Akwes says he's as well as a needle.
Yeah.
It's ever funny, sir. We can't fit as a fiddle, though. Fit as fiddle. Would I say
a needle?
I'm well like a needle.
Controversial, Big Akwes.
Controversial.
Big Akwes. All right, now what you send me shas if you go. Send me shas if you go. About me buoyan and penisi. Odoya de sisika. Odoya de sisika. Something that we
Odoya de sisika. Odoya de sisika. We never know when I'm
kaka kuna boss anyum no kaka kuna boy enti won so do e dey sika ana empanifo ase twam hu ebu bese no wabro no won kokọ enti say ya kire mu say ni
odo ye dey sika kaka ku boss anyum we eye 1983 ana kaka ku boy na kaka ku e kan wasem no ofi eye kumase ekro bi e from wawase wona kaka ku wawase wona kaka ku efri na kaka ku ewo eye ema komako 8 na ne yirim so emienu anti amofefie ono nso no efi wo wase
na dem abo asem so
enti kaka ku yobi a obo nwumache ati se yenyina enyim kaka ku abakosem a enya asem kitokwa onwutu na asem a kaka ku kai no eye ne breso titimiem no sa titimiem die na odo no ede na so woni sika krampo na utimi nya ho kani a ote wo wase
what can say for the first time girl said Gay up on the Big Akwes. I need to soak in this moment because you have to know. Big Akwes can say girls in fact money piano no everybody united to move. I feel Big Akwes
you know kaka kunyum no born sa ages 83 monum no na odo na de obia oga na bia nim se samre ne papa no ye nananom no somo ware ne somo no mo yire ne ti se pena ne yire no enmonu musuo se obekwa kofa ni kru nachi efise ni kru no ebikwa no ni bi na odo the love of woman no na ensonko samre no na obe ware a eye wawofo bekwa kohwe eye oba no awofo mu ni ahwese bia yare na se bibisa eni ho a yakwa kan de na mawo na ne oba ne eneti mfumadwuma na mo ya mo so anopa mo ko afumdwuma mo ba se pe na oba no abefia be ya aduane na ne be manyama to nsa didi na mo adware abom mo didi abom mo kan se mia mo be ka bo ba bia be che na
mo rade na fe massage mani
wo dem ade cha nopa se ni kru no ekwa afum na se so ma ya oba no onidi na duani nesi honuma wodi bibia kata so ai sei no nakpin gu honuma o twense ni kurumebe om bididi
wa ma obebuada samme no the love is deep odon mudu eniya me no kai sa odon efri ho amesika mom na ababe hye odon na namu entine odon no eni ho sika ne wo ho entine gana ni ba bia wo hwe me na no pai bia be giatum sei asame kai se oba hu bema na se be mahu oba na se me ba be catch wo se me pewa first thing oba na dwene ene se be man ewu sika obeti ba hwe me dabe yemia yeni
Me jintu.
Sikani bemo.
All right.
So
girl, yes. So me
okay.
So your example say every Ghanaian woman. Me jintu because I agree with your me agree what the scenario no kind of the true back then say na yeah, man ban on school too much. They didn't invest too much in them. It was rather in the men. Into abandon the only face. And I can go and do the investigation. Now about worry or ban. Now fanako if that's why bride price no. Yeah, man panties and suitcase and those kind of things to help her because at that time no nishi or they back papa nifi. Fine, that worked. But now no yeah pushy and ban to be more independent. And sister first, even guys are even complaining now about Ushian Peno Bisa say, oh, to Mami Momo and Nato airtime. Mami guys, they don't like it anymore. Won't complain. Michelle,
obviously,
even this guy sang a song. I don't say a guru, see, and Michelle now did now something like that. There's this song. So it's like idea guys no complaining pa say in ban omu bisa too much. But back then, sana na eti. Your ancestors in Beman, omu started that trend. So omu be share ban. Ye mami musu were used to receiving, but now no, it doesn't fit in this era because in Banu ye Juma. The other day because in Banu so omu ye big posts, CEOs, presidents and things like that.
Now we see you are who to me no.
Because yeah, obey to me. But my point is like certain and now all kind of is like. Or can say oban ohun bema no or ben wa ushe say obey to me a share one and I'm saying say nowadays in bana kasa those basic things I say so mu to me yeah. To me, I even say it's a pint is name, but I need no more you know bright price. Come we free because Obabe to me at all those things. Yeah, push you almost say independent. Send a bear Uber man cry a bear easier mouth because before you expect so much from the guy. Now we expect about the basic things that everybody needs as a person. Everybody needs that. Obia didi, obia she, baby obeda, o soap ni idea would be dry near all those things. Everybody needs that. So into where do age oh yeah, adults. How did they say that in tree?
Penny fees.
Penny fees to or bar or bear. I say to me yet those things. Yes, so the bear who share or beer, and yet no now who the judgy guy and say wait until I make up for the guy. What I say? Who call for how or be respect to and also be respecting how say even issues come up. I say I'm more daily as human beings. Sikadi who here, but everybody should at least be able to do something basic. For no.
Yes. Like so nya you say sika ho hia ho but say emre aduro no mema no cry expect man say onso so be ye bibi enti say kane no aye maame no mu anko school need those things no enti na akwa say na say odo no ase na nyo asa ahobrasie bi no mo cause no mu ni ba bi akom na nya odo o say ahobrasie na ono ba bi ko oni sika be ma na nkwa onidi oni ne ya adwen sa
mene ne ya adwen okwan bi so mene nya adwen okwan bi so ekwan a mene ne ya adwene ewo so no se de o ka se ema no emmom ho moden no mutimi empe bibinye se ne be ya omo niema bi ehia omo wasetre mu no omo nsa betimi aka ma omo nyira independent on bema no good advice to ema no or the mama no but asma o kan no Ghana for ma no emu bi ayo madwen say unya ka se open no apɛ na nadwiri mu no waba bede ne ka
Ode ne ka wanu a ode ka se me pe no o so tua
o wo se efiti woko no every day bia no twop money wo ye ni ready
o so go ka se me pe o sa na anye de
an se wo hu no e bi oba ne nice girl yes oba ne nice girl ntino ye se wo ka che so open wo nya ka so open fiti won mu ko ni se pe no afi no wa sha ase eji
e try the birthday
e chen baby
ni mama yare
no start e bookies e de ma me propose to eya adoma na de chese pa adoma ka yemse na credit asa
empacho kasaye na adoma de ontisa
adoma ontisa o se credit asa me to credit man no ti to ko me credit adoma me se so de side we ba o fe me fa bi awon o se sai
adoma power na da
o se sai so anything no Ghana for ba ahyase asue suban bi a omu ehu ni se bema na waka che so pe no bema no enyi sika no ntimi nhwe no efi se okwakwa no ho ade a edi kan ka che se so unya ka fabre fie fabre ukunu na mmom no so wonye sika adie ne ahonya dia ene fabre fi e fa ma wuku
enti big Akwes who can say
sika ho hia ese se odon wo no enipa no hu na wo no prisika no dan se obepa odon no sika ne di nanim ye hwe Ghana fo ma bibeba enem sika so eneyi ebimu ayari stroke wo hwe social media oba na kese no num nsem na num to wo nsem o kan a obi ni ne interview obi na no kan wo se wo no akase wo hu ne se pempeso no du na so timi nye sikani obetima hwe no na bema no wonya sikani no obetima hwe no wo ye bema na kan so pena wo hwe appearance ni se pena wo timi so ni sika
hwe wo de
appearance
appearance
na we na say
what you are saying no there ya there
pacho do I when no eno say
ya there so na can reality but the point is say yeah, part of the world they make it difficult for a woman to be independent. What you say be pay so pay juma o person on that so a bema so even school cry for your grades near your person no that
sense me eno na last
me say say oba oto bibi man ni ba on ka say ni kru neto you said that
one me kai
oba no ti weni but
me dey kan say do ka no me ni na chiye say eba oba nya adwuma no otimi aboa no ho nya sana me ni ka but me ka say ene Ghana fo man na abasese no wo ye be man so kopɛ no the reason why in Bano
to me independent the way they're supposed to be because mu feel say mu person mu controlling so yeah independent I because be on board so or speaking in mind I because or ba we dey see canteen or kasa me no I mean this coming was car say na me tin sa na make kasa but obema no feel say oba no was sika chain me and na bibi sa then or feel insecure say me can ban beka me call no so beka but that's not the case the fact say obi here independent no e ma no so feel say bibia e ke bi obetumi contribute as a person not even say our relationship more na say only relationship as a person
so girl are you saying say
yes
there were ma what despite everything they look for love and ma omudo omu fa say who ska who ni ska I want to know that
I'm a typical example. Say me, I'm not a rich person, and I've dated all kinds of people because it's not about them. It's not make us say if you have to look for somebody to come and complete you. That's a big lie because the person now urban or why complete you know about complete too. Into one person you will be complete, and I'm not saying say complete as in you as though will be beer, but basic things like Emma also. Deal at least can be out to make it. It's not even about cars and those things. At least the basic things now make can. Basa then this is a customer to in chair. Then nyansa na wo timu ebe to me pay because confidence wo say big Akwes if it's my partner no see you and then this is what we want to do today. Oh Mr. when I Mr. Medeba but say uni as a person you are not insecure. Yes. You're not confident as a person.
Unim do kan nyina no. E ya de o njina last week bi san say ye wo ne Ghana ha na say wo Ghana ha no because say no suban na Ghana for man na mu no menye sure say wo hu. De wo kan no do kan no obi enu onu a obeka say do kan enye wo. But say na ye wo mi na na ye wo m say ni de. Ghana for man nyina obehu mu social media ni nyina no omu nyina hu be ma say pena omu de odono ko hye no mu epesika no
enyampa
enya
because me oba na me ti ha
uni waka etio de me ka na ono ntia me metima me ka examples me be metima boni pakodi
me metima my examples of people like us no them say be mo etio am wan kasa mo bride price low key say na ka say oh yeah
ono be ma ni sika
oba to meet you anu ani bride
price ni anti ase be ma bi o ha omo do omo ho o say oba be ma ni sika but be ma ni nya oba no ho ade no ono ama be ma ni sika say
me what typical example like see sir
eno ni esua de me kan say eno ni sua
because mo ma ye nkata ko mo see in ba no de o to ade ma be ma pe o pe say obi ate ba mo de mo to me kan oba kan pe am see for women there o to bibi ma be ma pe o pe say obi ate it na be bra ye community no o bo so ba kwati ni kunu APA am ko shopping na the man is her money but omo ye shopping we na obema no per se oba no this ni sika no man the man always wants to feel say I'm in charge that thing a twemu sa mindset in a twemu oba no so no so tua be and you nche say o ye weak and I say unrespectful but Mama and say
Adeba
it is on board. Last okay, sorry, last time also no see me came go. So even though we're all having the same loud, see me came go, be so see me ye because me are banning. That's the problem.
Okay,
that's the problem.
When him, the memory come na be say Ghana for ma abase say no.
Prumuni mumame.
Say
nakasa.
Obi kase opewa. Onya kai na no oba no ebitu aga say mekodwene ho. Mekodwene ho no e kire say onye du fi a afi na okosusu ho a kire na damfo bi say enipa semezi so opami ho. Na say nipa be ma na dwene. Say enipa ko no ebia wo ye adwuma wi, ebia wo public figure wi, ebia wo say sika wi, we say ansa na na damfo na ma no ho adwira ma be ka say you mate. Ye wo krodua yi mu ana medical ekwo ware se pe no gen ankasa ne be ka say fela makafu no be ka say what wonum dada no no young guy no ne eti but because of say na sika ani niema bi a o pe say o de boa na brabom no onya nti no eni nti ana go for eye nuku medical a woni so beti ma hwe no
be so call for him to help them
ma onya ni submission here
no eno no opere so ema eye ni sika no edi nanim dan love no ne love no ye ni nkwadwe boyfriend no de no ni sika nti no ojai eni am no kase sika no di nanim mu ano ne be ya no be bia pepeso koduye ana say no asa wori jai e yakoba no two
aba
yes aba two Morisha Budon woni delay e interview e the social media Morisha Budon say o say wono akase wo hwe young guys a no hu na no mo kase mo pe no na no hu se sa young guys intimi hwa no se de ono sitie no fi so no Morisha Budon ono wo yusu Range Rover enti no ono so woni fie o East Lagos enti di enti na wo young guy bia wo aba wo yusu e bia oka tuwa bi unika po bi ko unika na ba ka chese ope no enti wo mpeni enti sanete dia ana obefo oluman a ono no wo sika wo ye rich man ana okofa no a sa nipa ko no hwe no enti free na ekoyi obesentale hu no a obeka se wow Morisha Budoni a small kind no
enti na sa konko bia ne mu aso
yes ana fofi anto ata ye dwana aba mo no a enei akwakwa bi bisa
no one asem she doesn't stand for all women
enti no
all
women so me chem se eno so enye all women no
by all women na mo ye adwuma mo hwe mo mbema de bia ba mo nka omo ye no low key because senya wo kan wo pese oti ne kun nanim ti nyama bebre mba no yo omo nka se bi me oba na me ti I do things for men all the time wo ba be sraw o didi wi a wasa man ska afaka me ye de bia enti no you can't say
me nka se untimi nye wo me ye sure say sister brofo no wote no edo so se twi no wote no it is okay twi na
me papa that explains it
doka no me nka se bi ni ho ebi wo ho me ankasa me maame mama party uhwe eye ni kura waware na ni kunu eni sika te se de me ankasa me maame mama party ewo no
mama party be ho asem na
eye evangelist Patricia mama party se de ni kunu eye injesi ama ewo sika ne sa na maame mama party wo sika so what ase enti no automatically no me maame sika ebe kom dan se de papa sika wedding ebebem
na odo bi wo ho de
yes the love is there
ada wo no mo na tifi
onye bi no na tifi but wo mo ti wo mba bi na so so tim so mba
oba ne was can dey love but
wo dem man kan na
enti eno na wo ka no e wo ho but dem kan say memma de no e doso ese emma ne de no eno de wo unim because emma do se ne wo ska o meti wadahwe memma but memma do se na o so ebo mo moden a o mbehwe oba mo no muti eniti na de sa do so na de aso aye say wo ye bema bre omujani na ye adwumaden na fa hwe o yire eya sudie nyakopɔ ne to ye so nyakopɔ fa sa sudie na ma musem na mo mebre ememe sika but se wo ban sika no so de ma bema a privilege eya konya de ma ye mema no
okay asamo aye na ya asanto akan o say asante for mema samun sorry enku entia sa broni a o pese obefa sika Akofi ma ya ye be sorry
yeah
this is dispensation we say normal sisa
yeah
ebeduru baby a na mema bebre ni sefatas wo wonye eba no renter o si oba ebi ko si 50-50 any do sinti ema bebre so be sorry ehwe fie ni ade wonyi ni say sa ma no odo nti no mo de yes me big Akwes
sa ma no oyo odo ana mo de yes ani ma no odo nipa no me share obi a na me do no so do me but eniema ekwa animu no ohuni say no odo no wo ho de but sikasem ne na sitremu ahwahoa eni ho biem eni nti no ogo for eye obi o wuska ana ise no okoye npa kono ko ware na woni no ede eti ye papa a wo sika wo kudua yi mu ye papa kokote me wo Gallywood na me ne akua eko school Gallywood school e koye ye papa kokote etimi ba school mu onum etimi be yiska etimi di ba Gallywood fo nyina say ye fa nkoto aba enfama akua emena akua wo Ghana most beautiful ye nyina wo ohan bass di si wo Gallywood ye kota na chi e wa Accra na dwumadi na koso ye wi an bass na sa kosie ye take it o na etwa dem ka wati ase enti no akwa hu ni se enipa weyi obi owo sika obetimi ahwe no ekopim se ebia ono ankasa be wonsa mpa afedi wade no oba be ne mpebe mo wo sika
anyway girl you are saying say ma bebre hwe mema omo do won omo yi odo through say omo support omo kunum so why is it not out there?
Because like I said earlier, who say can't say for women then when you do a little thing for a guy, nature say
obato to a madam.
Yeah, when you go on social media, who say
obato to a tribal madam.
Enu ntimi nka o.
Obato to a tribal madam.
Okay.
That's another.
But you see, me kasa from experience. Never know can yes, etasi. But I'm saying say. Oh, see, in Badiano, yeah, small because we ain't see much about it. Because of in Titiano, who said for a very long time, they always said, oh, bad, as I saw, yes, submissive, then, as I saw, share Bema, see, all those kind of things. So, even if, oh, person, ye be beer, they be now will share with you because, oh, one share, we be say, Ebia won't boy there, we be say, I don't know who taking decisions without Bema. Sometimes, go be to me, share, you be say, then I me this, me that. I own this. I'm a CEO of this and that. I'm not saying say other people who sell things in the market are not equally important. I'm saying say they always feel say you have to be attached to a guy. So a lot of women find themselves in situations that but just because of Phyllis says they are attached to a bear man. Yeah, I'm trying to see. And I know what I'm saying. Me, there are times never see her. Oh, you're buying for only me call a school that was a boys' school, but later move for girls. Maybe I may call you homecoming. No provisions for the girls. People keep asking you, say, hey, we sure say, but I say, yeah, fine, yes, she. So that's why we are always. It looks like we don't do much because they don't appreciate us.
Because I say a ma or Ghana ha if you about what jom kosisi so omuta omukunachi omo bua won sika fam odonti ni ade but I say aha no say nyam kan mpanimfo say oba tutu a etwiri be madam nti ni ama ni ye nyina no obi ehu but ma omo sika wo dibra omo de odo eta won kunu machi e de won sika boa won pa
se de na me ka se be bo mama mama part edi no sa pepepe neti de oka no sa wo sika ana osa wo do eni nti no onya abedo bema no owie se pno osa de sika so asa beta bema na chi a woni bema ne nam na sese oyi sika se de kwa ma bema ne momu no ana sika no ho expenses sa na tie nti do ka no wo bad me ka se sa nipa dodo we no eso omo no so mo wiase omo no so wo Ghana ha but mema omo ye dwumaden de hwe ema oba hu bema we a wo ka se bema ye hu ni die bema ne wo sika obetima hwe me eni ne do so anything oba so kese open no start calculate says can na dwiri mu a oni se boso me no so kwa na se o man nchen a eso in mobile
money it's embedded to me near obi an iska obi
China want no
me teach you but I'm also looking at the nyema AC
yes no na me can say nsi o but the make can say enu no so and ma set example a de wo ka no ewom for me my side ma set one example me wo proof say me my side no bia wo ka no wo do say wo sika and so ne be ma ne de eti but yeah enu no eye ku kituwa bi e ma kituwa bi ana o mu sika o mu sai sifia o mu ni kunu kwa na tifio eso wonta nhia bi but ye mema ye dwumaden a ye wallet wala sa ai de hwe oba na oba na dwiri mu hu ni say ye wo sika na obeban no enu say ma ne pe obebi o hia na ka so pe no start for prayer
worry say me jin tumo
and just so you because of
that mean to me because e bia wo so no what all can because you are seeing those things me so me dem dia me hu because you nkasa much about it doesn't mean say it's not happening say no in ban more pa but you to me can I'm telling you person oh and their way pay we so baby keep quiet but it's happening. It's happening.
Let me mama first me too bigger question. Counselors your group will be na you compare notes. Uncle Kwedumata, Councillor Grace, Joy Wilson, problem ben na nkofo frɛ complain about. Na say near what so ni say me kunu say oni ska debate rent, intimate rent. Me kunu say ukwa bisa Uncle Kwedumata obeka che opa bisa Councillor Grace obeka e my from ka say me na metua fees. Me kunu ho say me na metua rent. Me kunu ye 2 years first near 3 bedrooms. Say you know yakotena 2 because me kunu so oni ame to me etua no. Enti wonyi ni say bia so update with data na kakra. Say mema hwem minim say dey normal won say twere mu say bema be sam na ni fifira hwe oba. Bema so ware on na hwe fie. But wonyi ni say what now kind dispensation e ma be brain so hwe fie pa edisika enye usika kekenti no nam oba so obeso wasene aboa.
Yeah. Dey o ka no enokweni mum no eye emrofo ntetiye enu omusu no omuban a omuwom no ena ese abegura ememanim bia omama sa tumi na dia mama ema etua sa rent no because we do abuche no me ko Germany efi eye February nya na me Germany. Okay. Enti no ubedu no na wofo na wo no mote wo Germany na wo no mo yem nya no ema no a wo no mote edan mu no ema no na wo no mo che eye mo rent no. So enti no se aduane a eni enema a omo eye ni nya eye obrofo no so a wo no broni kwa ba kwa pie a den of day no ono kwa bitua ono ne part eto bi so wo so bitua mo so mu mienu. So
enti no say abrofo so na
Ghana oba de e Ghana de obroni subai but you were the one who say oba de obehu be ma bia opese oGBB. Now I'm telling you that they are also doing back now they will say obroni subai.
Sister if you want to ha no
I say me nya twi na make
me say bofro do so see twi ni nta
me say me say they all can say bia
emrofu su eno mo ban no mo mu no say unu oba tie so otua rent no emrofu su na nye bem nye Ghana for but nei no Ghana for mema ni binom afa samrofu ni so a unu oba tie dem a opese unu oba no ne che sa bill se
na bride price where broni to buy
ni nyina no
oba no tua ne bride price and no say broni culture
emrofu su buy
no but brofo mo tua bride price so what are you saying?
Say where the needs had gone by any more for you by Emofu Ghana for near the say Ukra now with the baby or ban one day. No ban bushia ji what to nabe my bushia so ji oban so atum eni nya ware no but
mani would bigger question
yes you atra na ene yes you atra I say Emofu su eni e ban akofa betum no eno na sa ne meye a ye kan I see o emrofu kromu esi o emrofu aware mu no ye Ghana for so yakofa bia behim na nka so ampa say oba ma ware me no nete no anka afia so na se ye dan sika asa anka wo ba na me ka cho se minister enti wo ko pesika na for behind
no obusa say ye ema ho ade wo fie no anu say abrofo subara na say dey fititi ne ye oba ho ade na ye first ye dey amoase nyina ka ena na say normal society ye dey draws ka ho
eni yo aware mu ehwade ye no ye okokokobo ane ewo eye wedding na eno no mbe ya kwakuhia so wasore dem ane ewo efiaware a eno no abusuane busuanya gitumu
amamre so
aware oba bema no edensa akwakuhu oba na busuafo
ya fro oba na enaba I'm saying say
would I explain you
let me ask the question warm na me person make say so see now that in banu so supporting Beman who see a abrofo culture because the men are also expecting the women to support and America say na aware na mbano etia omwan kasa omu bright because some of the ladies are buying their own aware items now so themselves mu suitcase be no their money kuna or their call me and kasa me cousin na yebi I was there not or their call worry nikunu even the first guy that she was going to get married to watching say no cheating yan why biomo so nyama na ye planning we kept our dresses bibia. By the next year, when you'll be full from Nyamana now we just went to use to marry the next person. With the Nyamana what to turn on one a tuto bibia, suits ni bibia, you call why second guy. But that one it was between the family.
Okay, bigger quiz. Not the more working. Or say a man a year member one.
This is one pass say oye bar necessary member so be warwa una so to toniema.
Say see.
Una kwenta to toniema. Eye say oba no wa dream say opeso bo ani kunu. Na nu kunu etimi eye no ho ade but wo hwe eye amamre ne amane kwa so a wo yo oba na ne be ma ba be ware na se wo oba no se wo timi nya sika toto ho ne menyina na se wo ma be ma no to ne suit a na so ka so no ware a ebuo ene odo a wo ware mu no eso te
na wo ya ne ho ade mo kwatena se ade na mbedi
eno ne say eni ti we be ma na so ware oba wa amamre kwa so ye di fiade yo bushene nya transia eno no ukure sika ba bia mefa se bia ukure sika ba 10,000 ebetimi aso ebia ma me
make $10,000 100 million to 300 million
and me ka say and then 10,000 to 10 million sa 10,000 me ka no eh say
it's not much these days so
and no there's not much these days no dia wo ka ba ni me ka ni fiade yo no say what to oba no niema ebia ukure be 5,000 mi ebia oba no ma me no papa nya sika omo betra ase omo ebia nkotafo omo sika ebia ototo oba no ho niema kakra na mo ase ni niema kakra bi ne ntoma kakra afi den no na trase abusua nsuo ni drink ni eniema ekura me de ba be oba no ho ade abusuafo no bi kirema ka kire wo say ye de hye na de ma no ye nton ne ma wo ne mom ne de ne ma wo se kono kohwe no ekohwe ni yi
okay enti abusuafo big Akwes na mote ne no girl enso so e wa ha enkoma no pa ye di ebusamo se e ba ne se woni obi ekotena woni obi ekotena e ba ne se why se woni obi betena ware kwan so a anabroni si choosing a partner e wo se sika eye main factor na se big factor na se factor kese pa so bedwini hu se atetena ye kotena itire ne sika ya ade nyina ntia wo se medwini sika ho ansa na madwini odon ho ana se ne etisa no enti ubetumi di messages aba am ya kenkan ma 0558 4620888 yanko ashoman na ye ni abe enkodi nkomo ni abe good morning hello ni abe
good morning
sir ni pa cho mi entie
me asem kakra me kan se kane no kura na ye nkwada no ye mrantie no na kofa ge kura na on koda enne obeda on chen ne na ade chin ne so man sika on tu chen biu because what obunu sansa ni ba so eso enne e man gi sika kura ansa na obunu akoda Ndi no so
ka se mo all right ni abe aka se o se kane no se ukofo ba na se obeda wonten na ade achi no okọ na maniska on si wonten biom if so hu ni se sebi oye base ni because one ade achi a one e bo base bra no one ade achi a but no se e man di kan gi sika no
one you can just can you say me pass be the me uba na ebo enti so tua na so di ka just can no obu ko tibi ka say bia me fi kuma se na eba ho me ni kenska enti se ni miska na me famna
you see let me say something there's nothing wrong say obe support you be e be honest say back no onye adwuma and it goes both ways me to me so na me ka to be to me asra me I can pay for the person's transportation onu so be to me ayama and do they dan chen but ye ka say o choosing nipa money shouldn't be the biggest thing. Say me to me ashwe mo kakra, also be to me ashwe. Then if you the relationship you the bomwa, then whatever we bring together, not you the above brano.
All right.
Do you understand?
Girl, so I didn't need other two tables so. Wafatanye macho aja.
Ati there is my through pa na ho ye.
Onyankopa da ma o me ho ye pa na wafata frantino tamfo nyina ho ya no fe.
Rade ade mo bia ho ye. Abaya bi o fantinu ta ye friend ogre o say o pe wasem pa ti a men kan tell
yo ogre mi chia pa o tutu sa me ho ana
tuni na pa de ba mo ye nti ama na ni je ho pa
okay
me chia bi ja pu nyina so na se joy me ka se on sika kwa na ma me e wa awalem sika no na ma me e wa awalem so enne na adwen ma sense de na big Akwes kan papa ya pray o kan makoma so asempa o se kane no so bi ekofo oba no no oba no ye do me wi no mani sika oba no bunu se nipa na bunu so e asawoni patene okra wa bunu se obi o Facebook se fa na ba ma na me so no na ya do ayi no wo se me pacho beti my favor ni na so data what's the data na udra so when I'm a girl Sika no bia de ye do pe. E wa ta bi sika de. Ene de me hu ni say ene ma ni sika. Sika ko bia
Yeah.
Nigga ko sika no kwan so pa. Ghana for
Okay.
ma sika. Ghana for ma ebinum. Ne ka say eme
Ebinum
ko
waka
sa.
ebinum.
Ebinum obi. Eti wunya so wanya oba on sika sam ma ne te.
Okay.
Eti enu so obi e ko ra on pe oba on sika sam no de odo no ne de o sika. Me da se pa ma ba.
Sika ye moja ye ba ho. Pa Thomas ye chia ba bia wo bia. Ye kokofodua na ye mfa Jones. Joe Macho.
Yeah, now, Mama Joy, good morning.
Good morning, Eja. Na who to say no pay?
No pay the video call.
E do Nyankopon ase. Joe Mpacho me enti why?
You, Mama Joy, make a tell you, make this out question.
Okay.
But me, yes, so to get to me, you no.
Hey.
Until my main casa, you
Okay.
Big Akwes Casano. Also, Odikai Camfi, Titi Mremu. It's a 3 year, and I'm Yama, Menoma Breast, so said you know Mokwa warrior. Na Titi no. Na kuya na no mo ye enti se be ma no ware oba no krampo na one no kuya dwuma na no ne eye kabre no no do no wo ho e ma no do mu kunu oba be ye bibi o di kan bisa ni kunu e ka tani kunu na ma ni di krampo ye kuya ni di wo fu na da de ni di mo mo no ba ye no mo ton nya sika krampo na o di bro kunu no e na hwe sika no so e ma no bibia no okunu na ye enne ye ya bresi yes, man in ye juma. A man now, my yakwanya and no more ye juma petty campo, and I say on Mokrama and Netica said Jum and in the Bia Job is a scat. Oh, ye juma ponu, not 59 man in ye jumanum ponu. Now are any good. Then now, man in ye jumano. She said, ya, on my warrior. Over worry, within 1 month, 2 months, after now are ye good. Again, because ne breno eya is too much. A man one ya butre.
Yeah, that's it.
Maybe I don't worry on my job because yeah, fire one thing.
Okay.
You won't say your life for China the idea. You have more than cater for you, Kakra. Oh, you say your job. You be job.
Maybe I now so person will question. Yeah, be question. Aye.
Mama Jay, the see us, oh, young fan says the see how your bema. Bigger question your bar. Madam no see your bar. Omumi no. Why now be ware no?
Asama will be said the enti na ka say me nya me that mean choose any pack I walk up to people. It takes time for me to like someone.
Why now be
on the spot me oh yeah bigger question your bar me hu. Na some way there me hu because me obi a me to say eh me to me bo na my she. That is how it is.
Okay.
Me fiti preko pe. Enya nti e to dan kofo bi ntimase ba me nim ni ame ye. Your messages bi a ye be kinkan.
I'm sure they're going to bash me. Let's go.
I'm Madison Evans watching you live from Kaswa Old Barrier. In fact, I'm enjoying your show and really understand the woman from because all her views are on point and really support her point of view. It's true. It's very true that many women are playing such roles, but due to the nature of our culture, we don't really see or hear.
Ow.
So that is it. The lady is not understanding the whole thing. He didn't say it's not happening. He said there are few. There are ladies doing that, but they are few. And so bigger question on for say one bigger question can say or say a kit word. And the first one no or say send your mamma ni amani TNT. Yentin more, but a mabibre AD say Jumano.
Yeah.
Okay. And so we'll keep going. And bigger question. As I say no, contempt me no me I was born in the mid 70s.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nti akire yen kwan a e fa so hunu nipa ansa na ya do nipa nti sa na mtie ba bia mekwa ye adwumomo ya bibi o me hwe nipa ye pa na menya kasa me pewasem a bibi ani ho be wan
you're saying that you build
I warm up to people because for my bathroom because for my bathroom sa na mtie but I know what I'm doing so menya kasa bigger quiz me penasem a
that's
it does not matter sa me see so me kunu so sa I was warming. But me nya gini too mu. esika fo afi ba nyina manhwe obi ani.
Yeah.
That is how it is. Yeah, me no di nkomo
Yeah.
privately when we
Yeah.
say sa na me tie. Nti wo nyini say ne ade ama odo ni nyina no any contemporary fast food
Yeah.
love no.
Yes.
Big Akwes girl like that unso wa that. Yeah, pentem me do.
So you don't even know the person.
The value of Anna.
Yeah. It's true.
Doka no ne sa pepepe enti na ama say no young girls na omo epre omo ho ehu obi o sika o daka emu sie pe no afi omo ko no kopin sign.
I love you.
I love you.
I mean kiss you. I mean kiss you. I love you. Big Akwes fried rice. Chicken.
Momo and pizza. So after yeah as we was no kampacho omo me dey aduane by from say
Right dispatch.
Dispatch dispatch right now.
And on deliver Imran.
I many deliver. Me one no be friend but me di jollof rice ewo na mani me dispatch right there binti no. Jenina mana e mani fe aduane ni mremi.
Wow.
Nse mpacho me na menye sa.
Big Akwes wo mpranfo bebre nti no mo yansa no.
Me
mpranfo dos o medi usika o.
Ai eno no mi sika do mudi.
I wanted to taunt him, but mommy told me now come in the house. I said, "What am I saying?" Share messages, you know. Yemra. Okay. Good morning, Max TV. I'm strongly agree. Okay, I'm strongly in agreement. But I'm strongly agree with the lady. For me, instead, anytime I contribute in the house, my husband will get angry because he think I am better than him. Nowadays he's not working. I am the one taking care of the house. And to be that question no kind or see or ni girl ya adwene so ye no ma bi wo fie. So that na kunu bu afu. Say Good morning, my name is Ado. What my brother is saying is true. There are women out there who support guys, but it's more than
more men do.
It's not more now so say e ma ho. Nti oni we ya say enu de waja to mu say e ma be brave so won kunu mu ase pa. But I say memma no bro nti ene ye ko benkum ni fasa. Please, good morning and how are you doing? I am Emmanuel from Kaswa, Liberia camp. Good topic today. Thank you so much for acknowledging that. In fact, to me, if you love me, I will show you all the money. So money shouldn't be a factor in choosing. Okay.
I'll show you the money.
So money shouldn't be. Dog kakra. Sika kakra. I go so we chisel. So let's look at it. If you enter a relationship because of money, and the next day the money is not there, meaning the relationship won't last again. That's what because sister would do sikanti and I say me do obi a. Not just say ochina sikani ni ho a. Not just say relationship ni ho. Sounds na ho fe. Wodi a ho fe. Epe obi a. Ochina
yes.
Money ya wo ni entisa ye. Enti
eno na kwaye ope.
Ope ni wodo. Cause wo nyina so obi.
Wo nyina so obi. Ai utimi share se me share gebi na gen kala me fe. Wonam se kai.
Tuntum se wi ana se kokko se ngo.
Genu e kokko se ngo. Me kala me fe nam se kai ge kala e dia mepe. Ana me fa ne sa. Me kala ni nti. Me ko ba bia ne so bright me. Say ne ho otan sa no fo ba bia ne ho fa wona ma no bright wo.
No I ka say ho otan na wo bu afu. Na de wo aka ka say ho otan.
Me chemu say. Me fa de ne ho fa na wo bright me no. Any better 3 months and ntoburo egu ge no.
Mezese.
And again, if you proper me.
Big Akwes.
Yes.
A color na say.
I say my say no.
I had to go.
I was from say or from me pick corner. Me pick here the number you are calling cannot be exist.
The number you are calling
cannot be exist.
The kwaka is Big Akwes.
I know tired.
Oba ko dem you who hear like. And I'll bright you wa. And to because not say who no.
Debbie
na me color no.
Yes.
So okay, let's examine this.
Yeah.
When you claim to love someone because of their financial support or beauty or status and all of that, if tomorrow is no longer there, the relationship is no longer there. So love shouldn't be based
about those things. It should be about intangibles, things that you cannot touch. Respect, support, encouragement, those kind of things. And you know that it can never go away. When there's no beauty, there's no money, there's no then those things will still be there. That respect will still be there. The support you have for somebody, the encouragement you have, and that's what we all need, because they be America say nipa no unfiti young woo this way. Yeah, from a baby to 1 year to 2 years. Nipa evolve na unyi na gray hair bani idea. So here somebody or be grow with you.
Because I know you call HIV conference na omo worry. I shall say you HIV be a. I feel obani enyim ya or kwakwa say obani ye positive. But ni kunu nye positive.
But obani ye positive.
Obani ye positive.
Baby no serious.
And so yeah yenyim a. Yes. Be man ye be man ye negative.
Wow.
Obani ye positive. Meanwhile I shall say no mo koye ye no. Na in fact obia ka so wonya no. Be man say there be o.
Wow.
Me ne better na. For me, this is.
And you know,
yeah.
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 But because I say,
yeah. So, no, we see Nadine Pise or better because of odo. Men who are baby so no soon call way, or cool way, and this can be found, some patch or conos me cool way. What try the can cool way, you know, a bicycle, this can in a genefi, the boyfriend on now one is him.
By
yes.
Can you or the band could just get done? I said,
Debbie, or catch and say a clan on or a clan on the boy, no, boy, no, on the way, no. On far clan come boy, no, banner the omra. Or bano, Eddie a clano, a coma bueno. I'm a bano call scanning. Or
by no mammy, no. It does well be now on answer.
Yes.
Or maybe the man is not treating her well.
That's also another option. If you are not Berman treating you,
or perchance a Jana cry.
Niku no ne young boy and small boy are yatia on an hour. But
young boy small girl.
A small girl. On an atna on an hour. But Bermani Nisika. But says Kanini be. Who sika our woman Temowa, na Yeremia 4. Obi anim says Kanino. As one make a simenim to come as Takomeku. And I say, Nissi, Sikanipa mapa. Our whisker will be a nimno. Ewo ayeta Komeku. And one chip or ban and no ban away. And then, or Ojani,
Sabi, Opewa, love me, love my dog.
Yes.
Now, when you're come for banning Conan Coyne, nothing I make an either say, Sabi Preduasa, or Nimyans Sabi, on one BB.
Yes. And then I mean, can say, Sicanino, our Bobano Tosso 5, Sicanini Sicasemon, a conform, Bueno on any way and Buena Babiniska. And they say, Waja again.
But them say, snatching nipa, yeah, Akonya, yes, snatching and now, near BB. One or person oko. That thing they always say, no, be a snatch, will be yes. So do open out in the pacunachi. And you have a reason for doing that.
Okay.
So I don't think people should blame people every time say will be a snatch you. You wanted to go and you have your reasons. I'm not supporting that.
But so be a Jew or be a free or be in seminal. O Jessica Semso until one G.
And yeah, they be an AC.
Say.
A lot of rich people get divorced. We've heard of rich people. People have made their own. Even fella, now we hear an example. Crap. Say at a point, but still, it didn't work out. It wasn't about money. Sometimes it's not always about money. People are rich and soon. Bill Gates and his wife, the richest
family in the world.
So many rich people, so many celebrities abroad who are so rich.
And it
makes life easier, but it's not everything.
Okay,
it's not everything.
You wrap up immediately. Not just say, Sikadie. Eya die but sika nye wodo because unya sika duru baby betumi ate wani tutufu ya brana so
and Ghana former enemu sisuo minim say dodo na nkasa na ekọ for sika na ansa na odo na ba but enye ne kwan so no sanka wokọ odo ansa na sika na ba anka beboa wo enti ya hwe omo mu kọ sika ansa na chi no odo no koba no eneyi omunya no erigate yi
big question ko bi si sabe Benjamin Brenner na ma any ni mema ye adwuma onya sika o se me mpe obi o me pay yi enti na ma na ni ate na say our time is up. Just 15 seconds.
All I'll say is that if we want women to also be more supportive, let them make it conducive for them to also be able to earn money. Stop asking them for to sleep with you when they come for a job and not say be a school and not be. Let them also earn something and then also so that they'll stop asking the men for things and also be able to make their own money as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gil, thank you so much. Into question I busa no betumi ato aso do messages number 05584662. Yep. Foxes 462088. Yebre no enya ye bi ewie, but keep the messages coming. Ebrebe mo ebetumi akama. Ye da Del Spices. Ye abusuafo. Se se ye nyina promote your health. Big Akwes anan me ko che ni bi ekosen.
Come on.
Kama wo di yen kwan ben. Oh, ye de beba. Yen kwan ben.
Na ba ko me ye no rere.
Rere. Eni nkate na na no na wo kan. Ekoyie pa.
Ekoyie pa.
Aka girl there. The Del Spices move from Rani and Family. Big Akwes su that e bi mrani and